This is a set of HAPBEAR push-up bars that was sent over for me to test in this video. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look at these bars so that you can determine if they're right for you or not. Let's get right into it. So what you're gonna receive is 2 birchwood push-up bars. You're gonna get an exercise guide. It's give you a bunch of different exercises you can try using the bars. And they also provide you a carrying case with their branding on there. So guys, here's a close-up look at the bars. They fit together like so. So they're really convenient for throwing in your gym bag. You know, they stay put when you put them together. They're magnetized underneath there. So you see they've got magnets on both sides. So when you fit them together, the magnets hold them together. As you can see, it's got this tongue and groove design. So each one of them has its own tongue. Each one of them has its own groove. They fit together like so. Very convenient. It's made out of a very good birch wood. They're lacquer coated, so they're not going to give you any splinters or anything like that. They've got the pads underneath here, so they're going to stay put on your smooth, slick surfaces. And just a really nice looking set of push-up bars. So guys, with these here, you can do a variety of different exercises. You know, obviously you can get your push-ups in various positions. You can get your planches, your L-sits. You know, I'm not a calisthenics guy, so for me, I'll just be using these here as push-up bars. But if you guys are looking for a very nice set of portable push-up bars, you may want to give these here a try. I hope this helps.